Hi there, Jason. It's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. I spoke with you on the phone earlier today about making a quick little video for you with some tips and tricks just to increase your Google presence and mostly to get you ranking higher in the organic rankings of Google. What I mean by that is the organic rankings are anything under this map pack. So anything that comes up organically on Google when you do just a generic search. These are all your organic rankings or organic websites, sorry. And as we can see, there's 10, 11. I mean, there's 25 million results that show up when I search moving company Brandon. And the higher that you are, mostly in this first spot, the more customers that are going to be looking at your website and potentially being clients for you. So I'm going to hop right into it. I'm going to go over three things. First is going to be content, then backlinks, and then citations. So firstly, with content, Google likes a lot of words on websites. Some people don't necessarily like their websites to look super wordy. They'd rather have them just looking nice and clean. So they have back pages and multiple other pages on their website that have lots of content, and that is just because Google looks over your whole website looking for keywords in your content to rank you for searches. Now, the more content you have, the more Google will look at your website and scan through every single part of it to find those keywords to make you rank for those searches. Pretty self-explanatory. Google likes a lot of content. Another little thing that you can do to increase your content is using pictures, because Google also sees pictures as content. So you can save pictures as keywords. So you just go in here, click. If I go click Save As, this image is called. It's just a date. If you were to put that as piano mover or Brandon Moving Company, anything like that, Google is just going to, again, see that as another mode of content for your website, another keyword to help you rank. Next is backlinks. So this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. Now, it's not 100% accurate all the time, which is, I mean, just like anything else with technology, just about. So right now it's not showing me any of your data, which is unfortunate, but that's just how it goes sometimes. Backlinks are any link linking back to your website. It's in the name, I guess, but and those backlinks come from your referring domains. So the more referring domains you have, the more backlinks you'll be able to get from those. And one thing to keep in mind is that backlinks are not all made equal. And what I mean by that is you have to have backlinks that are relevant to your business. So backlinks from other domains that are relevant, because Google will see any other backlinks. Say for example, you have a link from a Pizza Hut or a vet clinic, anything like that. Google is not gonna, they're gonna be questioning it a little bit. So they're gonna see that as spammy, and it could possibly hurt your site. You're not gonna be trusted as much by Google, and you're not gonna show up in the organic rankings as high as you should be. So because there's no data for your website, I just brought up one of the competitors. They're the top organically ranking business right now when I do a generic search of moving company Brandon. And as we can see, they've got 508 referring domains that give them 4,000, just over 4,000 backlinks. So it's just a good idea to see what kind of numbers it would take to be in the top spot. That is a lot of backlinks and a lot of different referring domains, but most of the time you can get a backlink from a website by just inserting your business into them, filling out a little profile, anything like that. Sometimes for the really strong backlinks, you do have to pay for them, but that's just with anything. It's like if you want to make an ad on Google, you have to pay for it. I mean, there are lots of backlinks that would be strong that you might not have to pay for. And then lastly is citations. So a citation is your business name, number, and address listed in any directory on Google. And what citations help you do is to rank high in this Google Map Pack. Now, people's search terms are always different depending on how much you click around. Answers or order of businesses might vary a little bit, but on my screen, you show up around 4th, and that's really good. You're just one off of showing up right on the homepage. And I mean, honestly, in today's day and age, if a person was looking for a moving company, they probably wouldn't go any farther than here. So you're probably looking, if anything, to rank a little bit higher in this Google Map Pack, just so that you're at the top spot and just guaranteeing that people are clicking on your website, clicking your little call button there. And like you said on the phone, your ratings are good. Your reviews are all 5 stars. So people do trust you. And the higher that you are ranking, the more people are going to see those reviews and take a look at your website and hit that call button. So that is all that I have for you. Please, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.